Good morning, I'm Jeb Smith, real estate broker with RE/MAX Terrasol here in Huntington Beach with your Southern California real estate market report for June 2015. We're almost halfway through the year and the market continues to move full speed ahead with low inventory and high buyer demand. A key factor in buyer demand has been extremely low interest rates, but that trend has reversed some over the last month. Today, we're going to discuss the move in interest rates and how that might affect you as a buyer, seller, or investor in today's real estate market. Month over month, we haven't seen big changes in buyer and seller activity, but the one thing we are starting to see is a little more volatility in the market as a whole, which seems to be affecting interest rates. Since my last video, mortgage rates have moved up about 0.3%. Although rates have improved some from the recent highs, this is still something to keep in mind for both buyers and sellers as interest rates impact purchasing power for buyers by decreasing affordability. While there are a ton of buyers on the sidelines looking for that perfect home, in my experience, a jump in rates can keep buyers from the sidelines hoping for interest rates to pull back. Lately, when interest rates have moved up, they have moved back down within a short time frame, which is a good sign that maybe interest rates are trading within a range for now and may continue to stay low for the interim. Since our last meeting, the Federal Reserve met and hinted that they would be raising the Fed funds rate later in the year. This is both good and bad news. It generally means mortgage rates will also be increasing, but the hope is that inflation won't get any traction and rates will stay stable over the next several years. This is definitely something for buyers to keep in mind if they are on the fence trying to gauge when to enter the market. The other two factors I mentioned earlier, low supply of homes for sale and higher buyer demand, seem to be in line with previous months. Our local market is still well below historical averages with only a 2.5-month supply of homes compared to a normal market of around 6 to 7 month supply. This is the primary reason that you are continuing to see home prices at recent highs and properties selling within a few days on the market when priced correctly. So, how can you take advantage of the current real estate market? It all depends on whether you are a buyer or seller, but sellers definitely have the upper hand currently due to the lack of available homes. If you are a homeowner who has been considering taking advantage of the recent rise in prices, please call me. I'd love to discuss my tailored marketing plan for your home to put you in the best position to sell fast and for top dollar with minimal stress on you and your family. On the other hand, buying a home in the current market can be a little more difficult with fewer homes to choose from and more competition from other buyers, but I'd love to speak with you and discuss the specific strategies I use to make your offer stand out amongst the competition, enabling you to get a great home without overpaying. There are advantages and disadvantages for both buyers and sellers in the current market, but working with a real estate professional like myself can make a world of difference to your bottom line. So please call me for a complimentary strategy session where we can discuss your real estate goals and create an action plan for meeting those objectives. As you know, all real estate is local. So if you are a buyer, seller, or investor in today's market and you have questions, I would love the opportunity to help guide you in the right direction. If you would like more information about me, please go to my website, jebsmith.net, or check out my other videos on YouTube. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again next month. Make it a great day.